Chatting, boys.
Done? Is that the one you had to buy?
I never even said anything about that. I think I'm gonna have to move that up probably. I always move it up and then move it back down.
But where's the drop down?
Huh?
Where's the drop down?
I just have a regular 2-inch ball. That's a drop.
Oh, that's the middle.
Axel, shut up.
I always move it and then I move it back for him.
They said, oh my God.
Got Dad in the video today helping us crank some stuff up. Wow, look at those hand cranking jacking skills he has.
Yeah, small jacket.
So what we got going on here today is got to go get the Toyota Camry and probably gonna end up taking it to a junkyard because I don't really have the time or the place right now to find a good donor car and swap everything over. So we're gonna get the skid steer off and get this off. Then we got to go up to Justin's dad's and get the car. Trained my dad a couple years back how to run one of these things, so we're gonna let him do it and see if he remembers. Taught that guy everything he knows. I forgot more than you'll ever know. I usually use this one to plow in the winter. This is my plow boy. Said I usually use this one to plow in the winter. Babe usually brings me like coffees and hot chocolates and stuff, so that's my winter supporter right there. Well, we made it to stepdad's. No, we gotta get this thing started somehow, and there's no battery in it, so I think maybe we can jump it with whatever we got. Sucks to see this thing go to the yard, but I love them. All right, we just hooked some cables up to her. Oh,
see, no battery, and almost fires right up.
live, boys. Well, boys, she died. Trying to get her up there.
Yeah, I said just leave it there. Oh, it died. Okay.
We got her on. Don't worry about it. We took care of it, guys. We got it. Thanks for the help. Thought that you guys were there for is to help me out.
Yeah.
Just left me hanging again. Sick of you guys.
Yeah, can you not make so much noise? There's probably people sleeping.
It's dry. If you put oil on those threads, it won't make that kind of noise. If you properly maintain the equipment.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Perfect.
That's how you do it.
there's something else.
We got to my dad's house. We're gonna just unload it here and I'm gonna drive it to the yard tomorrow. Chris's new Beamer. Traded his 450 for it. Alright, I gotta get this thing into gear and it won't go into gear. I figured it was just maybe because of the rocking back and forth or something, so I'm gonna put some power to it and see if I can get it to go into neutral. And then,
That's if it wants to fucking...
and then roll it back off of here. Finally got the thing started. We're driving it right now. I'm driving right down the main road and got just enough juice in this little jumper that I borrowed from my dad's neighbor. I don't know where mine is with the moving and everything. I have no idea where anything is, but my brother's following me right now in the truck, and this thing's so sketchy to drive. The brakes are all locked up on it and back wheels rubbing from hell. But this is just, it's so sad to see this thing go to the scrapyard. I mean, my grandma, you know, obviously worked her ass off to finance the car and then buy it, and you know, it sucks to see it go, especially with the low miles on it. Like I said, my plan was to just, I really wanted to find the same car, a donor, same color, same interior, same everything, and you know, I wanted to swap everything out and just make a nice A to B car, you know, possibly sell it or just kind of drive it around, you know. It would have been kind of fun for the channel to tear this thing apart and do whatever, but it's time to go. We don't really have, I don't have the place for it anymore, and you know, with obviously with the whole COVID thing, you know, people have stopped working for a long time, and you know, the financial spot isn't there anymore, I guess you'd say, to take on something like this, I guess. And it wouldn't really be much, just a motor swap, but if I did it, you know, I'd want to open up the motor and put new gaskets, and well, I can smell that back tire just burning right now. The back tire's bent in and it's rubbing on the top of the strut mount right now, and I can smell it burning. Might catch on fire, but good thing it rained, you know, it's kind of wet out. It keeps it cool a little bit, so you can hear it. So all right, we'll see you guys when we get there. Oh, this is the end of it, boys. She's out of here. Gave me some cash for it. I'm running and we're out of here. So yeah, you know, thanks for watching. You guys haven't really seen a whole lot of this thing, but that's it. So we'll see you next video. I got something else coming up for you guys, so stay tuned.